Hey everybody, if your Android device is not receiving WhatsApp messages in the background and you're looking out for some solution in order to fix it, in this video we are guiding you exactly through the process for that. So let's just dive right in and get started. So you can check your notification settings for that, head over and hold WhatsApp, or you can go to your settings and from there go ahead and search for apps, and from apps search for WhatsApp here. And once you find WhatsApp, what you may do is basically look out for the option for notifications. And if this option is turned off, you can turn it on and allow notifications and ensure that you have not muted individual chats or groups as well. Apart from that, you can go over and navigate to your settings. And within your settings, you can look out for the option for battery or app battery uses. So to find this option called battery, and once you tap on battery, you need to look out for the option for allow background uses, or go to the option called battery. And from there, just go over and tap on this option of background uses limits and ensure this option is not turned on. You can just go over and turn it off because sometimes it won't uh, allow the applications to work properly by setting the battery optimization to unrestricted or don't optimize. Apart from that, you can just go over and look out for your data settings as well. So tap on settings and go over the option for connections. And here look out for the Wi-Fi and the mobile data that you're connected, and make sure both of these are turned on. And also just go over and enable the allow background data while the data saver is on. Apart from that, you can update your WhatsApp application. Go to Play Store for that, and you can look out for WhatsApp update. Go to the search and search for WhatsApp. And once you find WhatsApp, you can just go over and update the application if there is any kind of update. Also clear the cache for WhatsApp, so hold WhatsApp for that and go to the info. And from there, you can just go over and scroll down and go to the storage option and tap on it. And also look out for the option for clear cache and confirm it up and confirm and clear the cache for your WhatsApp. And also make sure your phone has enough storage, a special space available for that, because sometimes not having enough storage can also cause such kind of bugs on your device. So that is it, everybody. If you want to fix the issue, you may follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.